Hello everyone, today in this video, I am going to show you how to add your Facebook link on Instagram bio. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open Facebook and tap on your profile icon. After that, you have to click on these three dots of your profile. Now copy your profile URL from here. After that, go to Instagram and open your profile on Instagram. Now tap on your profile icon. Now click on Edit Profile. After, click on the links. Now tap on this external link here and add your Facebook profile link. Here, you have to paste the link of your Facebook profile, and also, you need to add a name for your link. After adding name, tap on top right save icon. Here you can see your Facebook profile link is added on your Instagram bio. In this way, you can add your Facebook profile link on your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching this video.